Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question: x plus y divided by 5 is equal to x minus y divided by 3 is equal to x divided by k. We have to find the value for k over here. So what is the value? So here we have one property. That property is of your ratio. Here property is telling that suppose a and divided by b, and that is equal to c divided by d, that should be equal to t, where a, b, c and t are integers. So these properties give us one formula. That formula is what? A plus c, if I am adding numerator, and that is going to divide by sum of denominators, so b plus d, this one gives us t. So this property I am going to use to solve this question here. So just according to this formula, here we can see that x plus y is going to compare by a, and b is going to compare as b is equal to 5, and c can be placed instead of x minus y, as well as d is having value 3. By comparing, we can say that one a plus c means what? We are going to add the numerator of this, these things. So x plus y we have, and then I'm adding x minus y, and that is going to divide by 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, because we have addition of numerator denominator over here. That is equal to, we have x by k, and here we are going to cancel y. So we have x plus x, that is we have 2x. We have 2x value over here, and this is going to divide by 8, and here we have x by k. Simply we can cancel x. So we have this value, and that value is what? We have 2 divided by 8 is equal to 1 upon k. So we can cancel 2 by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is giving us 1, and here 4. So 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon k. So final value we are having k is equal to 4. So this is our solution. K is equal to 4, and we have a shortcut trick is that if such a thing is there, x plus y, in this way, suppose this type of things are given, so you have to simply add the denominators. So we can simply add denominator 5 plus 3, and that is going to divide by 2, so it is going to give us 8 plus 2, that is 4. So we have direct solution for this kind of ratios. So it is very good property of ratio. So this is our shortcut trick. Just going to divide the this one by 2 by adding denominator together. So this is our final solution. Thank you so much.